my crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today we're going to learn how to make a simple 2D origami star. But before we jump into this video, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the origami star, you're going to need one sheet of paper. This is a 3-inch square. The first thing you want to do is to flip your sheet of paper around so that the color side is facing down towards the table away from you. And then you're going to take your sheet of paper and fold it in half to create a triangle. Now we want to unfold and repeat the same thing in the other direction. Crease that in and unfold. Now let's fold the entire thing horizontally in half to create a rectangle. Unfold, rotate, and repeat the same thing on the other side. Crease it in, unfold. So now let's fold the entire thing in half again diagonally. And we're going to take notice of this crease over here that we just made on the left side. You're going to take the top flap only, and you're going to fold it over along that crease that you just made. Once you've done that, you want to push up with your right hand and flatten. And so now what you have is a square on the right side and a triangle on the left side. And here's how the top view looks. Now let's take the right side and we're going to push inwards towards the middle like this, and then flatten. So now you notice that there are 2 flaps on the right side and also 2 flaps on the left side. We want to take one of the flaps on the left and move it over to the right, like this. And now let's rotate it so that the triangle is facing towards us. You want to take the one with the 3 flaps, so the right side, and you're going to fold it diagonally to that center crease right over here. So take that, crease it in very well, and then unfold. Now let's take the top flap only and bring it over to the left side, so that now we have 2 on the left and 2 on the right. So now we're going to focus on this last flap on the right side, so the one in the bottom. And you notice how there is a crease that we made earlier. You're going to fold it over along that crease. So you're going to put your thumb in here, fold it over along that crease, and then flatten. And then just flatten with your left hand and allow it to do what it naturally wants to do. So now you have the 2 points at the bottom and 2 large ones on either side. So here's how it looks like from the side. Now let's take the right flap and we're going to fold it along this crease, fold it over to the left, and then take the same flap and then fold it over like this. And this is going to create one of the points to the star. So if you imagine this being one, this being another one, and this being another one, you can kind of gauge where you want it. So you can go like that, or like this, angle it however you want. I'm going to put it right about over here, and then crease it in. And you're going to do the same thing on the left side. So you're going to take this flap, fold it over to the right, and then take this and fold it over to the left. Make sure it's somewhat symmetrical and then crease it in. Now you've got your star, and this is the back side, and flip it over for the front. And that is how you make an origami star. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial of this simple 2D origami star. If you're new to this channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button for more crafty fun videos all year round, and also turn on notifications to be alerted of new videos when they come out. Leave some comments of suggestions or videos you would like to see in the future, and I'll try to get to as many as possible. Also, if you'd like to further support this channel, be sure you check out some of my merchandise. You can purchase them in the video description down below via Teespring. I have tote bags, t-shirts, mugs, so be sure to go check those out. Thank you in advance for your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!